we wanted to make a deep fried Twinkie, but since we didn't have a deep fryer, Andy suggested we shallow fry it instead. So now we're in the process of heating up the pan, and over here is the Twinkie. The pan. Alright, Andy, walk us through the process.
You can walk us through the process. I'm just your hands.
I think we're supposed to batter the Twinkie.
I thought you said you don't need a batter.
I think we're supposed to batter the Twinkie like what they put in top of like tempura.
Oh, it's panko crust?
We can make panko crust, yeah.
Oh, we have panko crust.
Now you can see that the Twinkie is sizzling on the sides.
Oh, right.
Andy, what is the temperature on? Because it does not look like anything is happening.
What do you mean? It's on medium.
Hmm?
It's on medium.
It's on medium. No, I don't think it's done yet. Don't turn it. I'm going to turn the heat up.
Sure.
Okay, the Twinkie is starting to smoke. I think the heat is too high. We're now going to check the Twinkie.
It's burnt!
It's burnt!
I told you!
This is a disaster!
This is a disaster of epic proportions.
Okay.
I told you! I was gonna check
Now we
it
have the
out.
burned Twinkie. Okay.
Cooking with Andy and Ben.
Cooking with Andy. Ben did nothing. All he did was just video camera.
That's the problem. Ben did nothing.
Come look at the blackened
And he
Twinkie.
told Andy to do nothing.
Here's our blackened Twinkie.
Oh, it's like blackened catfish.
Yeah, it's like blackened catfish, except it's a blackened Twinkie. And you can see the stuff is oozing out. Alright, next.
Try two.